Today, the driver who pleaded guilty to hitting Pamela Hesselbacher will hear what punishment he is going to face.
The big question this morning, though, is will it be enough for the family of this young mother?
He may just get a fine and get to go free. It's not justice.
So Megan Thompson is joining us now from the Chandler Municipal Court where that hearing happens today. So Megan, the maximum sentence in this case, just 30 days in jail. You can understand why that doesn't seem like justice.
Absolutely huge frustration from the family because they say that punishment, that 30 days, is the same someone would get for littering on the highway. So for them, comparing Pamela, their loved one, to a piece of trash, it was just simply unacceptable. So even though the driver, who's going to be right here inside Chandler Municipal Court, may walk out with just a fine or even that minimal jail time, a new law based on this case will change sentencing day for other families.
Your attorney informs you wish to enter plea of guilty to the court on all three charges. Is that correct, sir?
Yes. It was back in January that William Epperlein stood in front of a judge and pled guilty. Other than that, he said nothing inside the courtroom. Outside, his lawyer speaking for him.
This is a tragedy. It's tragic for everybody, including Mr. Epperlein.
Epperlein ran a red light back in November of 2016, hitting Hesselbacher and her two children, who were in the crosswalk and had the right-of-way. He has a prior DUI conviction, didn't maintain proper insurance, and was driving on a suspended license at the time of the crash.
Every day of our life is not the same, and just moving on isn't something that we can do ever.
Especially after learning Epperlein was only being charged with misdemeanors in her daughter's death. So Judy Kearney turned her disbelief into a bill. Pam's law was passed in July, making for harsher penalties.
But Pam's law will not impact Epperlein's case today. Pamela's mother says that her husband and two children are doing okay, imaginably so, especially since those two grandchildren there, were involved in that crash, so they still have medical issues that they are dealing with. No Halani, that sentencing is set to happen at 8:30 this morning. We are going to have a team inside that courtroom to update you on exactly what happens.
Yeah, this is one of those cases that is going to end up having far-reaching effects beyond those immediately involved. Megan, thanks for that update.